अब now we are going to making one garlic naan bread. Bang toy. The master chef making for you one garlic naan bread. So you guys can check it. How to wrap and how to make. सही बड़ा करो पूरा इसको पकड़ जाए. ये साइड तो this is your garlic naan bread, special style in PK Spice restaurant. सही इनको फैलाओ सारा इधर. This is fresh garlic and some mint leaf. Yes, now this is your garlic naan bread. Yes, now master chef they will take the naan bread and yes, now they will put inside the charcoal oven. Yeah, it's ready now.
Yes.
It's ready. Yeah, it looks amazing. Yes. Oh, now they will put inside the oven. Yeah, it's nice. This is your garlic naan bread, making in charcoal oven. The oven oven is also very big, and like all the day they have like a morning time we will put some charcoal inside until we not finish work. That time still we are like after 1 hour or 45 minutes we will put charcoal inside of the oven, and we will make the delicious naan bread for our beautiful customer. And actually this is very hot. When you like a hand cannot go inside, it's very hot. If you want to like make naan bread quickly, so then you have to make it oven very hot. Like it will be take more than 2 minutes or 3 minutes, then it will be ready. So now they will put something here. Yes, so naan bread is ready. Now we will take out. Oh, is yummy, is nice, like a cake. It's delicious. So they have to take out the naan bread. Yeah. Yeah. Oh wow, it's yummy. It's yummy bread. Yes. Yeah, it is very delicious. Now they have also put some butter, and then it will be more delicious. Yeah. You see, Even when you see the video, when you see the naan bread, you will understand how much is it delicious. Is enough for 2 or 3 person. They can eat easily. Yes. Yeah. So, oh my God, it's hot. This is your garlic naan bread. थोड़ा नजदीक आ जाता है. Bang Ando wa Pakistan. Bang toy. Name that more. Oh, it's nampa. It's very hot. But this is your garlic naan bread. Uh, I want my all customer when look my video, so they will come to my restaurant and enjoy this kind of delicious naan bread. Yes. So this is your garlic naan. Now we have to make another naan bread. So let's, yeah. So garlic naan is ready already. We can make, and we already make video for you guys. And so now we can make other naan bread for you. So garlic naan is ready for you. Next.